A core part of this course is my reading lab, which gives you regular practice in a really self-paced manner to make sure you're focusing on the skills that you need the most work on. To register for my reading lab, please click the link right over here in the left-hand column of our course. And then you'll see a button up here that says something like Get Started. When you click on that, it will talk you through registering for my reading lab. I would certainly recommend using your Bucks email account. You will need a credit card to purchase the code for it, unless you already have the code to put in if you had bought it from the bookstore. If you don't have access to that right now, you can click on the option to have a temporary code, which will work for 2 weeks and give you access to what we need to get started. At some point in those 2 weeks, though, you'll need to put in a credit card number or a valid code. Once you're registered and set up, the My Reading Lab format at home looks like this. And there's 3 initial assessments that I'm going to ask you to take as part of this first module. These will set the tone for the work that you need to do in My Reading Lab from here on out. Right here you see several levels: fundamentals, introductory, intermediate, and advanced. We're going to be working in the intermediate and the advanced levels, so don't worry about these two. You may also see other things posted in your calendar, but your My Reading Lab calendar is not what we use for the course, so you can disregard these. When you click on your intermediate, you're going to take the Path Builder, which is an initial assessment for to see what skills you have mastered and what skills we need to work on. And you will take the one up top that says Intermediate Path Builder, as well as beneath that, the one that says your Advanced Path Builder. And each of those assessments is about 40 questions long. From there, I'm also going to ask you to take what you'll see down here is called your Lexile Locator. Another way of looking at that is using these images that are posted as directions in our Canvas space. And when you click here on your, let me find it, your Lexile Locator right down there, you're going to choose the one that is linked right up there up top that says Initial Diagnostic Comprehensive. So to summarize, the 3 that I'm asking you to take by the date posted on calendar is that Initial Diagnostic Lexile Locator, as well as the Reading Path Builder for the intermediate and advanced sections in My Reading Lab.